Hello everyone, welcome back for another practice. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out together. I find out that many people are watching my videos and they are not subscribed, so please, if you want to help me, subscribe and share if you find my video useful for you. Let's work full body as always for today. So let's inhale deeply and we're going to start moving. Inhale, exhale, one more, exhale, one more, exhale. We will start elevating our heels 10 times. Inhale and up, warming up our lower body. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Okay, bend our knees, same, warming up our knees, and inhale, work. 1, slowly bend your knees. 2, 3, nice and small. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back up. Okay, first right leg in front, left leg back, 2 heels on the ground. We're gonna drive our hips down, push up right leg forward a little bit. Your right knee should be over your toe. Hold this, stretch a little bit. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Left one in front, right leg back, 2 heels on the ground. Right knee drives down. We move our left leg forward. Your knee should be over your toe. Feel the stretch in your calves as well. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, let's start with something simple. I want to start with some simple cardio and then moving forward. So first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just knee jumps. Here we go. Inhale first deeply, 20 times, starting with the left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, nice one. Release. Inhale first. Exhale. Then let's warm up our upper body. Left arm behind your back. With your right arm, you grab your elbow. And then from here, nice and easy, stretch it towards the right side. Feel the stretch in your left side of your shoulder, upper back as well. Okay, release. Inhale. Switch, left arm grabs your right and you exhale. Good. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Lock your arms behind, push your chest forward, hold. 3, 2, 1. Okay, release. Then let's do a quick warm up with our upper body. Arms on the ground. From here, rotate your wrists inside first. Keep your arms straight, point your toes, look forward. Inhale first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Here we go. Arms on the ground. Rotate your pelvis. What we're gonna do next, take care. Plank position. From here, what I want you to do, we're gonna go to down dog. We're gonna bend our knees back. We're gonna do push down, push up. Down dog, bend, push down, push up. Down dog, bend, push down, push up. So this we need to do 20. One side of this. So inhale and we keep moving. Arms on the ground, first plank position. Here we go, down dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, keep moving.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down dog and breathe. Hold 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, let's inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Okay, lying down. Rest, upper body, legs should rest a little bit. Core, straight legs, straight arms. What we're gonna do here, keep your back flat. And then what I want you from here, you drive your arms up towards your left leg and then towards your right leg up. Here we go. 12, 2 sets. Flat back, here we go, up. And 2, 3, high, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Release. Bend your legs, heels, toes together, knees open towards the side. Inhale. Exhale and push up from your glutes. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Straight legs, we're gonna do one more set. Inhale. Straight arms, flat back. Here we go, 12. Starting from the left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Up. Awesome. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Nice one. Stand up. Here we go. We continue. Legs open towards the side. As a first square, what we're gonna do, closer, moving our hips backwards. We're gonna open right, left, forward, forward, backward, backward. From the side. Drive the hips backwards, and then from here, inhale first deeply. We're gonna do left, right, forward, forward, backward, backward, and up. Totally, we need to do 10 sets. What's up, my friends? Inhale. Hips backwards, and work. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Keep moving. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 'And up. Nice one. Awesome. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Okay. Good one. Arms on the ground, knees on the ground. What we're gonna do, plank position first. From here, take care of what we're gonna do. Plank position. We're gonna jump forward to sumo squat, right? From here, we're gonna squat up, arms on the ground, plank position. Sumo squat, up, down, plank. Here we go. 2 sets of 10. Inhale first deeply. Arms on the ground. Here we go, sumo squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Awesome. Inhale first deeply. Exhale, my friends. One more. Exhale. Here we go. One more set. 10. If you cannot do 10, you can do 6, 8. It's okay for me. Here we go. Plank position. Rotate, squeeze your butt, engage your pelvis, everything. Here we go. Sumo squat forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Nice one. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Awesome. The next one, mountain climb. Arms on the ground, legs on the ground. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna climb up from the right leg. Right touch, left touch. Right touch, left touch. One set, 20 times. Here we go. Inhale. Plank position, right leg in front. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Release. Not bad. Let's rest. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Here we go. Working on our upper body, shoulders. What we need to do. Down dog. Raise your heels from the ground. Arms closer to your body. We're going to move our shoulders forward, bending our elbows closer to our body. Down and then back to down dog. Here we go. We're gonna do 10 times. Inhale. Nice and easy push down. Here we go. Exhale away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down dog breath. 10, 9. You can place your arms on forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank position. Hold your plank position 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg drives towards the left side. Inhale. Exhale and left arm opens up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Back to plank position first. Inhale. Left leg towards the right side. Exhale. Open up. Hold 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to plank position. Knees on the ground, rest. Awesome. Inhale first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Here we go. Stand up. Let's move. What we're gonna do from here. We're gonna do lunge down, lunge backwards, and then kick. Lunge backwards, and then kick forward. And then again, lunge backwards. What I want to mention here, if you want to work more with your quads, so with your quad, please don't move too much backwards. Otherwise, it will go on your butt more. A little bit closer, closer. Here we go. 10 times left, 10 times right. Inhale. Here we go, backwards. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Nice one. Inhale first. Exhale. The left one. Here we go. Left and backwards. And squat down. Push forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead. 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Not bad. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Okay, knees on the ground. Right leg in front, left leg down. Inhale. Rotate your pelvis, fix, drive it forward. Arms on the ground. Hold, quick stretch. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, down. 1. Then we'll switch. Left one in front. Pelvis in the middle. Full. Lower. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, nice one. Nice one and quick one for today. Keep moving. Please, if you find my video useful for you, share. This way I can help more people. So take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace out.